In this video, I'll show you how to fix the frustrating error message on your PS4 or PS5 that says, "Cannot connect to Wi-Fi network within the time limit." Let's get started. Method 1. Restart your console and router. Turn off your PS4 or PS5 completely. Unplug your router/modem from the power source for 1 minute. Plug the router back in, wait for it to fully restart, then power on your console and try connecting again. Method 2. Move closer to your router. Sometimes the Wi-Fi signal is weak or obstructed. Move your console closer to your router or remove any physical obstacles between them. Method 3. Re-enter Wi-Fi password carefully. Go to Settings Network Setup Internet Connection on your console. Choose your Wi-Fi network and carefully re-enter the password. Check for typos. Method 4. Change DNS settings. Go to Settings Network Setup Internet Connection Custom. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then O for IP address settings. Automatic. O DHCP hostname. Do not specify. O DNS settings. Manual. Enter these DNS addresses. O primary DNS. 8.8.8.8. O secondary DNS. 8.8.4.4. Complete setup and test the connection. Method 5. Use a wired Ethernet connection. If possible, connect your PS4 or PS5 directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. This eliminates Wi-Fi issues and often provides a faster, more stable connection. Method 6. Check for router firmware update. Log into your router's admin page, usually via a browser at 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. I'll look for firmware updates and install them if available. Method 7. Reset network settings on console. Go to Settings System Reset Options Reset Network Settings. This will erase saved networks and settings, so you'll need to reconnect manually. Thanks for watching. If these methods helped you fix the connection issue, please like and subscribe for more PS4 and PS5 tips.